Hi guys, welcome to Tech Time. In this lecture we will learn to install latest version of Python and Jupyter Notebook for programming, which is the most popular IDE and data scientist community. So let's start. So as you can see that I have already opened up python.org on my Chrome, and in order to download the Python, go to the downloads and click on Python 3.9.2, which is the latest version available while I am recording this video. So once downloaded, open it so you may install, because 3.9.2 is already installed on my PC, so I can modify it. So let's say in the modification I will ask it to include the PyLauncher as well. Click on the next, and then these are the things that you must have, which are already tick marked, and let's say that I want to download these ones as well. And if you are good with the path, then install it. So it is updating. Updating might take a few seconds depending upon your internet speed and the processing speed of your PC. Okay, so my Python has been modified. Let's close this one. In order to test it, press Windows key on your keyboard, write Python, and there you are. So Python 3.9.2 is installed, and you can also check it by writing cmd or command shell. And from here, if you write Python, then you will be taken to the Python environment. And here, if you write this is take time, welcome, and execute it. So it's working. Exit. Now it's time to install Jupyter. In order to install Jupyter, you will go to jupyter.org/install website. From here, install with pip. Copy this command, go to the command line or PowerShell, paste this and press enter. Okay, so my Jupyter was already installed, so it is saying that requirements already satisfied. So then if you want to use Jupyter Notebook, the classic one, you can install it through this command. And if you want to start or install Viola, that can be installed using this command. So copy this command and then paste into your environment and it will be installed. So for me, because Jupyter has been installed, I need to execute it to see its environment. So do remember that the files that you will create in Jupyter will be installed in the directory where you executed Jupyter-Lab. In my case, I want to execute or keep the directories in E directory, and then I have created a folder named my programs. So by using command cd, I will go to my Python programs folder and write JUPYTER Jupyter-Lab and enter. So it will give me a URL that I will copy with Ctrl+C, go to the web browser and paste. So this is your pretty looking Jupyter environment. In order to create a new file, you will create a notepad and let's type command print welcome to Python on Jupyter Notebook or Lab. So the output is also shown here. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next class on real Python programming. Take care.